Professor Liliana Cuesta and colleagues. This is my presentation about Research 3 methods and instruments. Welcome. I am going to begin with the title of my research, which is Academic Writing in Colombia, the Cognitive Skills in the Early Years, and the key elements of this research, which are academic writing, the gap, the aim and objectives of the research question, constructs, and proposed instruments. Academic writing needs a set of elements which are strong language literacy, precision, supporting ideas to favor the argument, clear in structure, flowing content, strong in grammar and spelling, punctuation, usage, research skills, show evidence, cite authors correctly. And of course, the development of high-order thinking skills, or HOTS, from lots to HOTS, which are creating, evaluating, and analyzing with persuasive and argumentative skills, which help develop these through the academic writing. Now let's talk about the problem or the gap. Cummings believes and argues that a cognitive academic language proficiency is best developed in the mother tongue and then is transferred to L2. In this sense of ideas, what is still unclear is the transfer of the cognitive abilities from L1 to L2 for proficient academic writing, according to Cardenas, Carlos, and Durubal in 2007. And current Colombian educational policies do not emphasize academic writing, reading, or literacies in Spanish, much less in English, where the focus is on conventional skills. And so many students are then obligated to self-learn academic writing when they reach higher education, as an increasing number of Colombians do. However, this is a difficult thing to do, or ultimately impossible for many. Some possible solutions to this problem is that they can develop many of the cognitive skills from a younger age. And by doing this through the teaching of English, it will further support the development of academic writing skills in the additional language. In this sense, there has been little research on how to do this, probably in any context, much less in Colombia, and so many institutions and learners can benefit to performing this research. Now let's focus on the research question. However, we haven't especially worked on the research question previously. This could be an example, or maybe the final research question. So it is, what are the cognitive skills related to academic writing that foster the transfer of language proficiency from L1 to L2 in students ages from 8 to 11? And the aim or objectives that are related to research question are, first, to propose cognitive skills that foster academic writing in ages from 8 to 11, and second, to explore in what ways language transfer from L1 to L2 improves academic writing through cognitive skills in young learners. Moreover, the constructs of this research are in 3 pillars: academic language and literacy, cognitive academic skills, and primary level learners. The first one underpins with the reading comprehension, writing accuracy, field and cultural competency, and research skills. The second one goes with formal knowledge acquisition, knowledge and language transferability, LOTS and HOTS. And the last one goes with cognitive development, concrete and operational, and metacognition, planning, monitoring, and evaluating. In the last stages of this presentation, I want to propose the instrument mixed methods, which is analyze and integrate qualitative and quantitative data to answer the same research question. The collected data is used to complement each other to answer the research question. Then we have emergent mixed method design, which is in the process of qualitative data collection and analysis, include quantitative to extract the information, results, and conclusions. Then we go on to priority, which are qualitative priority, quantitative priority, or equal priority. And I think we'll go for equal weight and equal priority. Then we'll have timing. In these qualitative, quantitative strands, we can have concurrent, which is the collecting and analyzing data for quantitative and qualitative data at the same time, or sequential, which is one follows after the other, or multi-phase, which is several stages that include concurrent or sequential design. In this sense, I think I'll go for sequential in this case. I'll probably change this later, but for now, I'll go for sequential. And then finally, according to Creswell, 2003, In the mixed method designs, I'll go for explanatory, although we have exploratory and convergent. I believe in my research, I'll use explanatory because I want to use first quantitative data collection, then I'll go for second qualitative data collection, which is first a questionnaire, which with closed questions, probably some open questions, and then an interview or focus group to have a more in-depth analysis, or maybe a class observation. Finally, I'll just go for the comparison and interpreting of these results as they are merged to have a better and bigger picture. Thank you, Professor and colleagues. This is the end of my presentation.